In this video, we'll walk through setting up reports and dashboards in Dotnet Report from scratch. We'll use a SQL Server database as backend. This is how we'll set up a test database in our local SQL Server. The database name is project test, and it will have project manager, customer, and jobs table. Let me go ahead and run and create it. And next, we'll go to dotnetreport.com and just sign up for an account. Once you sign up, you have to look at installation options. You can run .NET Report standalone, or you can run it in Visual Studio. We'll go with the Visual Studio installation option. So here I have Visual Studio. I'm going to create a new project. We're going to pick .NET Core Web App. And choose .NET 8. Okay, here's my new project. First thing is we go to Manage NuGet Packages, look for .NET Report, and install. Once you install .NET Report, all the code actually comes directly into the application. So you can see that all the front-end open source code gets installed directly into Visual Studio. Once it's done, it gives us some additional instructions. Next, we build the project. Then we follow the next steps. Next, we can run okay, perfect. Next, we can go and define application settings. So final step is add keys and connection string to the application. This is fine. Your account API key is going to be on the website. Data connect key is this one. Private API key is next. I need to build my connection string. Connection key is default. Because this is my local database, I can use integrated security. Okay, this is all the setup we should need. We should be able to save and run this now. Okay. So basically that's all the setup we need to do to get .NET Report running on our machine in Visual Studio. First thing to do is to go to the setup page. Since this is a new install right now, we don't have any tables selected. We can click on this button to load all database tables. This will connect to the local database and bring the 3 tables in. We can select these and do any configuration we need. For example, I can call this project managers. I'll call this jobs, and we will save these. Once these are saved, next thing I need to do is go and set up the relations. I can just auto add joins. Just have to make sure that we have joins done on both sides. Once this is done, we can save. Okay, next we can go and create reports. So right now I don't have any reports, but I can click to create a new report. Now all the tables that I added in the setup page, they're available to pick from. I can expand into jobs, select a few columns. I can switch over to a different table like customers and then select columns from there. And as I select columns, it shows up on the right hand side. I can also pick other options like filters and schedule the report, but I'm just going to go ahead and name this report for now and save it and run it. And this looks great. So I have the data, I can sort it if I want to, I can edit the report again. What I'll do is I'll change it to a summary report so I can do some aggregations. I'm going to go ahead and group it by status and count the type. When I save and run it, so this gives me a very nice group view. As I expected, I also have built-in drill down so I can drill into the actual data and see those records. I can also go back and plot it on a bar chart. It's just as simple as changing it the report type to bar chart, and then I have some more options on changing the style. I can choose different color formats, and when it looks like how I want it, I can go ahead and save it. And so that's basically it. It's a pretty simple way to go from scratch to building reports in Dotnet Report.